Okay, everybody, today is September the 18th. It is a Monday. It's also iOS 7 day. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you. I got a package from Kohl's here, and I had ordered 3 jackets. I've got some jackets at home that I kind of probably need to put on Poshmark because they're not fitting the greatest. So that's why I went ahead and got these. So it looks like the first one is, it's a Columbia Benton Springs full zip fleece jacket, which I know you all have seen them. I'm probably not going to take this out of the bag because I know it's going to fit because I got a large. I have a black one at home that is a medium, and I've washed it so many times it's just a little tight. But this is the typical fleece jacket from Columbia. And yeah, it's just a plain black fleecy jacket. It's nice to wear when it's chilly, but you don't really need too much. Okay, now this one I'll probably open up. This is a Columbia Women's Switchback 3, and I've not had one of these before. It is also, whoops, hold on. It's also black. All it is basically a plastic jacket, kind of like a rain jacket. It feels like it's got a hood that's in the collar. It's one of those packable hoods. Okay, I don't really care for this, but the arm things are Velcro. But I could probably make them work if this jacket fits. I kind of like the elastic arm things. Yeah, this one works great. There is no lining in it, as you can see, which is fine, because sometimes I want to wear a hoodie and have something over it, a jacket, but I don't necessarily want a heavy jacket, because sometimes hoodies don't fit under them. It fits okay. Could I have gotten an extra large? Yeah, probably. I don't know. This fits okay. If I get a hoodie under there, is this going to be too tight? It's better than the one I have at home. I have to think about this one. I think if I get a larger size, these arm things are going to be too big. I have been eating like mad, so I really do need to lose weight big time. So if I lost some weight, I'm sure this would fit a little bit better. So I think I will keep it. So I'm just going to put this back in the bag. Okay, the next one, I've not had this jacket either. And this is a Columbia Switchback Sherpa line jacket. So let's see what this is. I really need a jacket with a lining. So let's see what this is. This is a large also. Ooh, looks nice. It's got fleece in there. There you go. It does have elastic cuffs. So let's try this. Sometimes it's hard to gauge what size of jacket you need. If you need a medium, you need a large. Yeah, I think this is going to work. Let me zip it up here. There is fleece inside. It's not heavy fleece. The arm things are a little long, but I don't know. Let's see, let me pull these little side things, which tightens let's see, how do you do that? It tightens the waist part. I don't know, these arm things are like really long. Let's see if I roll them up. Could I get away with that? I probably could. I'll have to take a look at home and decide. I'm not quite sure because these arm things, I definitely can't go around like this. So if they were a little tighter, I don't know. We'll have to see. So I'm afraid that once you get like a hoodie or something, now I will say this is fleece, but the arms are not. So if you're thinking this is a full fleece jacket, like I thought maybe, it's not. The arms are not fleecy. So I will take this home and try them on again and kind of see what I can do. See if I can do something with these sleeves. I hate that when the jacket fits good, but the sleeves are not right. So, yeah. Let me see how that goes. And while I have you, I also have something from Zuilily. I'm kind of disappointed in those jackets. I really thought that I had something there. I really don't want to go all the way to a store and try them on. Now, my house is really cold in the wintertime. I do have a pair of coveralls, but these are kind of like fleece snow pants. So I thought I'd give them a try because sometimes I don't want to wear the full coveralls and just want to wear a sweatshirt, you know, and kind of some pants, but hopefully, actually they look kind of big, but I'm only going to wear these around the house. They're Artex women's 31-inch. They look like, snow pants. Let's see. Yep, they're fleece inside, so these might work great. I'm not going to try them on, of course, here. But, yeah, they're a little stretchy, not a lot stretchy, but I just want something I can wear around the house for when it's really cold. And I don't want to wear those big, giant coveralls. So I think those might end up working because I don't care what I wear around the house and nobody sees me. So I think this is a go, but those jackets, I really need to decide at home what I want to do with them. Because if I need to send them back, I want to get them sent back. They were on sale, so we'll have to see how that works with Kohl's. I know one thing, Kohl's does not let you send them back for free. You have to pay the shipping yourself, which I think is a bummer, but that's what they do. So I will take these home, check them out, and see what I decide. You know, once I get something underneath that one big jacket, the fleece one, maybe it wouldn't be so bad, but I don't know. I'm not a sewer, and I don't know how it works when you sew that, I don't want to call it plastic, but whatever that jacket's made of. You know, if those cuffs, maybe I could do something inside, because if those cuffs were tighter, I think it would be a good jacket. So I'll have to see if I can do something with it. So thank you for watching this really quick unboxing. I do have a Stitch Fix coming. I have some stuff from Amazon coming that I ordered. So I should have some more unboxings for you guys. All right, iOS 17 coming. It should be here noon our time. So I got about 40 minutes to update my phone. All right, see you guys later. Okay, I know this is kind of weird, but I was going to try and see if I could take myself in the mirror trying on my jackets. But I don't know how, I don't know. It's weird. I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to try and do it this way so you can see the jackets on me. So this is the one that is the fleece. So I wanted to show you. I have to get on my knees here because this mirror is short. So this is the one that has the long sleeves on it. So let me get it zipped up. Well, heck. There we go. This is a large. But see, if I go like this, these are the sleeves. but otherwise it fits really good. So, I mean, if I kind of go like this, the sleeves aren't that bad, but they're just gonna roll down. So if I roll it up to the cuff part, it's better. I think that's doable. Can you see that? If I roll it up like that, because I hate to get a smaller jacket because I think this fits pretty good. So it also has one of these things on the side where you can tighten. Let's see, I'm not sure why I'm not, okay, here it is. You can kind of tighten this a little bit, but yeah, I think I will keep this and I will just roll up the sleeves. Okay, so that took care of that. And this next one is that lightweight kind of a raincoat jacket. This helps me too because I can also see what I look like. Because at work, I could only kind of like see what I look like from so far up. Okay. Of course, I will probably be wearing different clothes. I won't just be wearing a t-shirt. Okay, yeah, I think now that I see it on me, I don't think this is too small. I don't think you really want this jacket to be too big. Let's see, let me scoot over a little bit. Because this is already kind of bunchy. And yeah, I think this is it's a decent fit. Yeah. So this is a keeper too. Okay. So I just have that one left. Let's dig it out of here. The Bitten, is this the Bitten Springs? Yeah. Okay. I take my watch off. I guess last night I charged my watch and it wasn't plugged in. So that didn't work. I love these jackets. I have several different colors. I have a blue one, I have a gray one, and I have this one here. I bought, it is a large. Let's give it a try. I don't dry them in the dryer, but I don't know, they shrink. I just hang it up when I have to wash it. Yeah, this is perfect. This is how I like them to fit. No, I got a cat over here. Yep, I like this a lot. So there you have it. There's my jackets from Kohl's, and I probably did this wrong, trying them on with my camera facing the mirror. I didn't know how else to do it. How do you do that? I tried to face it towards me, but then I was kind of like cut off. So I don't know. So let me know in the comments, how do you do that? Yeah, so that's all I got. And I might see if I can try on these kind of like ski pants. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, I tried on these pants, and as you can tell, they're kind of long, but man, are they warm. They're 31 length, and that's usually what I take. These are a 12-14, and they fit me really good. These are exactly what I was looking for, to wear around the house and be warm, and then maybe wear a sweatshirt. So I got these from Zuilily, and they're called X Arctics. So yeah, so these are my pants. All right, guys, this is kind of a better way to show you. I probably should have did this with my jacket. Live and learn. So Thanks for watching, guys.